Hi friends! On today's video I want to show how to make a simple flower. Very easy way to crochet flower in a few minutes. Make magic ring. Chain 1 single crochet and do 3 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3 double crochet, half double crochets, and chain slip stitch on magic ring. You can make with double crochets. Chain 1, 3 half double crochets, 2, 3, slip stitch on magic ring, chain 1 in the same way 5 times. We do 2 and 3 times we'll make now. Second half double crochet, third half double crochet, and slip stitch on magic ring, chain 1, 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch. Now chain 1 and 3 half double crochets. Slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. This one I make with double crochets, with half double crochets, and this one with half double crochets. It's very easy way. If you like this video, please some comments below, right? If it is easy for you to make such beautiful flowers. Thank you for watching.